How to set double tap to lock screen on Android. Want to lock your Android phone just by double tapping the screen? In this video, I'll show you how to enable the double tap to lock feature in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Go to Home Screen or Gestures. Scroll through the Settings menu and look for Home Screen and Lock Screen, or Gestures. The exact option may vary depending on your phone's brand and Android version. Step 3. Find the double tap option. Inside the home screen or gestures settings, look for an option called double tap to lock, double tap screen to lock, or something similar. If you don't see this option, your phone may not support it natively. Step 4. Enable double tap to lock. Tap the toggle next to double tap to lock to turn it on. Once enabled, you can simply double tap an empty area of your home screen to lock your phone instantly. Step 5. Test the feature. Go back to your home screen and double tap on an empty space. If everything is set up correctly, your screen will turn off and your phone will lock immediately. Important note: not every Android phone includes this feature. It's commonly available on devices from brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, and some others. If your phone doesn't have this option, you can still get similar functionality by using a trusted third-party launcher or app from the Google Play Store. That's it. You've successfully learned how to enable double tap to lock on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.